Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is kind of like a really random video that I'm just filming right now, but I was gonna redo my hair, not redo it, but refresh it, and I wanted to do this hairstyle, and I figured I might as well film it to have some more content here on this channel, and I think it'd be a really cute hairstyle to share with you guys. Basically, I'm gonna try doing like the rubber band hairstyle, like something with rubber bands. I have like a bunch of different inspo ideas. I'm gonna try to kind of recreate something from that, but I figured I would show you guys and yeah, just make a video out of it. So let's just get into it. First thing I'm gonna do though is refresh my hair. This actually kind of looks cute, like a little cute hairstyle, but my hair is super frizzy. It's day 3 hair and I've had it out all 3 days. It's stuck. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like. Honestly, it doesn't look that bad. I didn't want to completely rewash it because I want to have like volume with this style. So yeah, it's just gonna be something like the front pulled back. And I also got these colorful rubber bands, and I also have black. I don't know if I'm gonna do the colorful ones because I don't know what color to do or if I should do all the colors. So I'm gonna go in with some water and the foam that I already used to style my hair. So I'm just sectioning off the portion of hair that I'm going to be rubber banding so that I don't waste time trying to refresh it. Okay, that is as good as it's going to get. It's nowhere near perfect, but my curls will kind of cover it up, hopefully. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and refresh all the hair around here. I don't know if I should do colors. I kind of wanted to do the yellow bands, but I don't know what I'm going to wear. And I just threw on this random shirt just to film really quick, but I'm just gonna use yellow. But I'm gonna loosely tie up the back of my hair, and then let's get to work. All right, so I need a different comb. This would probably be so much easier to do on freshly washed hair, but we're just gonna see how this goes. And I'm just gonna be using some gel, a little bit of gel on every section. Okay, so we have one, but my forehead looks huge. We gotta bring some hairs out. These little non-existent baby hairs need to come out. Okay, anyway, I'll fix that later. But first little ponytail is done. And now, I don't really know how I'm going to do the rest of these. I'm kind of just gonna do whatever, come up with whatever pattern that I can, and hopefully it all comes together in the end. I guess that's the cool thing about this hairstyle. You can kind of create your own pattern and just like make it a unique hairstyle based off whatever you like. Okay, so here for my second little ponytail, I'm going to split the first ponytail in half and take a piece of hair and add it to this ponytail. And then I'm gonna take the other piece of hair and add it to the ponytail I put over here. And then just repeat that process on this side. So for this last section here, I'm just going to split it in half. And I'm going to do a crisscross, so I'm going to use this one to go over here. Okay, this came out really cute, but I need to like do something with my forehead because my forehead looks huge. I'm just gonna take a little bit of gel on my edge brush and try to pull out some hair up here because my forehead. Okay, I found a little yellow top to match my rubber bands, and this hairstyle is so cute. It's definitely giving me summer vibes, kind of giving me middle school vibes, but I think it's really cute, and I'm just really excited to start experimenting more with hairstyles. And this is what it looks like, and I only did 5 ponytails. I feel like the hardest part for me was just the lines, but once it's all crossed over, you can't even tell if they're straight or not. So yeah, this video is probably really short. Let me know if you actually like this hairstyle or what's your favorite hairstyle to wear on your curly hair during summer. And shout out to all the other girls who've been rocking this hairstyle and gave me the inspo to try it out myself. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe before you go and hit the little bell notification so you know every single time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys all in my next one. Bye!